Hey guys, and welcome back to Crypto Cyber Security Private Limited. So in this video I'm going to show you how to use BigBountyRecon tool. As you can see, enter your target domain. If I want to find backdoors, I can just click on finding backdoors. As you can see, these are all the backdoors of the ett.com. If I want to find more information, like I want to find some domains, just click on find some domains and it will find for you. Like suppose if you want to find publicly exposed documents of ett.com, click on it and it will show you all the publicly exposed documents. You can see. Thanks for watching.